Wow, this is the outcome of our physical class training that I told us of that we had over the weekend. This is the bathing soap part of it. You can even see it shiny. You need to have a taste of the soap. The scent is something else. Look at it with a fine color of it. So why not? If not, why have you not come for the training? And then if you need this piece of soap, let me know. Just 1,000 per one. Yes, you had me right. See you in class. Don't be left out. Reach me on my line and then let's talk it out. See you. God bless you. Bye.